Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. As I told you in the previous video that we will learn Python. So to learn the Python, we need two softwares that are VS Code and Python. To download it, we should go to the Google and search. First one is Python. Here we see the Python download. We will click here and we will download the Python software from here. After downloading this, we should download the VS Code. To download the VS Code, we will go to the Microsoft Store. Here we will search VS Code. You will see here VS Code and just install it. Here I have already installed, so it's telling that I am installed. Now we will start opening our VS Code. So simply we will search here VS Visual Studio Code and open it. So friends, it is the outlook of a VS Code runner, and here we have to add some extensions. To add extensions, we have to click here last options. Here we will write as a Python. After entering the Python, we will get some Microsoft official Python program. So here we will install it, work as an extension in the VS Code, and after that we will install the code runner. Code runner. It is a code runner where we can operate our coding. So we will add this as a extension in VS Code. After that, we will add our file where we will create it in our desktop. As a I have created as a new Python tutorial. You can add anything as a file, and after that, here we will select that file by clicking on Open Folder, and here Python, new Python tutorial. Select it. After selecting it, it will appear here, so that we will write a program in that file and saved in that file only. And to run our first program, we will add some file in the new Python file program. So create here a new file, and here we will give some name as a first program.py. Here I have written it as a first program.py. Py is an extension of a Python, so that the VS Code will understand that it is a Python program. So click on enter here, and we will get some area space here like this. Here whatever we will write the programming language, here we can write a programming language, and whatever the programs are run, we will run here. The output will be shown here in this page. So first of all, we will write a program. So the first program, our first program is welcome to my Python first program. Here, if we want to run this program, we will start with the print statement. Write as a print square bracket and double inverted comma. Welcome to our first program. After this, we have to save it. If we want to save this program, so we have to click the Control plus S button, like Control S, save from keyboard, and after the saving, we will run the program. So the output will be shown here. Welcome to my first program. Whenever we will edit our program, we have to save the program that it will run here. Otherwise, if we not saved our program, it will not run the edited program, and we have to save our program. Now we have taken it as a raw data. Welcome to my channel welcome to my first program has a raw data. If we give a variable like a has a variable, anything you can take, a has a variable, we will give a equal to sign here, and we will write double inverted comma. Welcome to this program, and it is a one type of coding. So here this program. Now if we want to print this welcome to this program, we will just give a print statement here. Print open curve bracket and simple just add a here, so that it will understand. Now we will save our program and we will run it. After running, you can see here, welcome to my first program. It is our raw program where we haven't used any variables, and it is our second program taking as a variable as a. Welcome to this program. Here you will see some differences here. In the print statement, I have taken only a variable, and it had printed all the data which has been in a variable. So variable has a work as a specific data which stores in it and runs as a command. Here you will see some differences here. In our first print statement, I have directly added our raw data called welcome to my first program. And here in our second program and in the second code, I have taken a variable so that it will run from a variable store. Here we will see our variable has only as a letter, and whenever we will take any variables, we have to write the variables in a small letter so that it will run. Otherwise, if we take a letter in a capital, it may contain some error. So take a variable has a small letter. And one thing in the difference here, one thing which is different here is in a print statement I have directly written welcome to my first program, and in second code I have taken as a variable. But the difference is I have taken a print statement and not taken a double inverted comma here, because variable does not contain any double inverted comma or double single inverted comma. And if we want to run specific words that we can add here in a Python in a print statement. If I just before variable a, I have to add like friends. I will use a double inverted comma here and take a write as a friends and close double inverted comma here and give a one comma, so that it will add a friend before it will run the variable a. And I will show you result. Control plus S. You will save it and see here magic. So welcome program is our first code, and here you will see that a is a variable, and I have printed a variable, and welcome to this program is a storage of a variable. But I have taken a print statement has a friends firstly, so that it had run friends welcome to this program. One thing we knew that while running a print statement, if you want to add something in a print statement, we have to use a double inverted or single inverted comma, and if we run with a variable, we should add a double inverted comma after variable. So this is our first program where we will learn something new, and we can add something new also. So I will explain it up in the next video. If you have learned something from this video, you can like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.